Welcome friends to my episode number 45. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Today's episode is with only Tussar. Before starting, just one request. Please don't book or communicate from two different numbers for one product, as your identity to me is your mobile number only. Recently it has happened with me due to someone's very casual and uncompassionate attitude. I have done production of one sari needlessly. For me, each product is precious. To pursue my work, my journey at this platform, I need all of your support. I hope you have understood my point. I will not make you wait anymore. Starting today's display. Starting this saree you have seen in two other colors, and it has been appreciated so much that I have got the courage and inspiration to do the third color. This is the blouse piece. This time it is brown and grey. Two different were red and orange, and another was brown and maroon. This time it is brown and grey. Hoping that you will like it as I have liked it. Yeah, this one. This is the pallu. The price is same, means like before, 5150. This is for blouse piece. The new block grasshopper on green. Naturally it should be on green. This is a pallu. Same priced 5150. It is half and half. The saree of white and grey. This is the blouse piece. Very nice combination of white and grey. Same priced 5150. The same design in different color. It is chocolate color. This is the blouse piece. Mixture of means chocolate color it is, not coffee, it is chocolate color. The design is very nice, the print is nice, colors are also, combination is also, in my opinion, it is nice. Price is same. This is the blouse piece. the khaki color, and on that the brown colored blocks has been used. Yeah, like this. And this is a pallu. Five 5150. Now block print and hand paint together. Previously I had shown one and you liked, the response was very good. This is the blouse piece. Today it is another hand paint and block print. Hope you will like it. The feather, I think it is very nice. The price is 6250. Another piece of same kind, means the same concept. This is the blouse piece. Here red, fully red blocks. I love the pallu. I hope you will also. This is a pallu. The matching of block and the painting is very nicely done, and it is 6550, as the hand paint is little heavier than the previous one. This is the blouse piece, very nice combination, magenta and deep purple. Yeah. Beautiful combination. Yeah. Five 5450. Yeah. This block is also, I have used earlier also on green. It is the blouse piece. Here it is on coffee color. Very nice look. I think it is very gorgeous color. Five 5450. Multicolored block on mustard, and red is the blouse piece with it. Yeah, so nice. The block is looking very nice for the multicolor application. Five four 50. It is maple leaf multicolored. The blouse is blue, Firoza blue, and the base color of the sari is grey. On that, multicolored block has been used. Yeah. Five four 50. Very nice green and blue contrast. Block has been applied with multicolor. Very gorgeous. It is on black. This is a blouse piece. Beautiful this paisley design, and the sari it is bigger, and in the pallu and the blouse piece the smaller prints has been used, same kind. Yeah. Five four 50. Navy blue and green striped blouse. Here the block is not multicolored, it is single color, green it is. I think with my outfit it is going very nice, matching color. Yeah. Beautiful hand paint and block together. This is a blouse piece. This is the design, tulips on off-white, so that any color will look nice. Please show the design. 5650. Nice, very different kind of pink it is, and it is also tulip type design. Blue is the blouse piece, the firoza. Beautiful color. Both are tulip, but blocks are different. Base color is different, so look is also different. 5650. I love this saree very much. I hope you will love it. This is the blouse piece. Just see the design. White and black. I loved it. Best one in my opinion. Please show it. Five six 50. It is again, this is a blouse piece, maroon, with that pinkish, I don't know the color, that bonvita kind of thing, with that, on that my favorite, your favorite, that tree. Five six 50. It is absolutely organic sari, as the prints all are. This is just see with the, these are the impression of real leaves, of a different leaves with different colors. On golden yellow. Yeah. Price same, 5650. Now last sari is with weaving and means Bengal handloom on tussar weaved. This is the blouse piece in stripe, and these are the buttas all over. These are not printing, not painting, all are weaved. The width is, I think, 49 inches. No problem for anybody. drape this type kind of sarees, and you see the finishing of the saree. All are weaved one, nothing, all are handmade, handloom. So this is the last piece for today's show, and the price of this one is 7550. Hope you all are happy and satisfied with my effort for today's sarees. Waiting for your response. Thank you. Namaskar.